Hi, Craft Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here to show you how I manage my big projects. And as y'all know, I'm working on a project I call it the Reverse Friends Across the Miles Junk Journal, where I'm starting backwards with starting all the stuff that goes into the journal before I do my cover. Okay, so far, here's what I have. I have my pockets. I have my tuck spots and pockets. I have some stuff for my signatures. And what I'm going to do is this is where I'm going to put everything, but I'm going to restart everything. I'm going to start from the beginning with making ephemera, pockets, and all this. This is from stuff that I've already had made. Okay, so I'm going to start backwards. I'm going to start with pockets, and then I'm going to start with doing the tuck spots and stuff like that. All the ephemera is going to come before I do my cover. Because what I want to do is when I start with my pages for each person will have a video with their page being made. So say I do Xena. I'll have one video doing her layout, the layout for her page, and then I will move on. But each part of this journal will have a video for the item that I am working on for the journal, and everything will go in this bucket here. And it is labeled, as y'all can see here. Okay, so everything to do with the journal will be put in here. For this is Tip Tuesday, and I'm giving y'all a tip on how I keep track of all my projects. Okay, so this is tip number 1. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I do a premiere, or when I go live. Okay? Please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be positive, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.